Good day, Professor. Well, here we are, finally on safety drop, or PA7, as I like to call it. Alright, before we start, I just want to let you know that I couldn't get the attract screens and the two-player mode working. You will not find them in this game, and, well, again, I'll try to work and have them up and running for Monday, the 21st. Alright, without further ado, let me just show you very quick what I was able to do. I'll be quiet, let you hear the sounds, they're kind of low, and then I'll exit and I'll talk about the rest of the project. Okay, so we just saw some gameplay over there. That's pretty cool. The sound volume is really low, I didn't expect that. And the video, it seemed very slow, but believe me, it's not. It's because I'm in my laptop right now, and it's, video card is not really that good. Trying to make sure recording the video and playing the game, like, I don't know, my laptop doesn't like that. Anyway, I want to talk about some quick things. First of all, the aliens themselves. I was able to grab every alien in one grid, and I called it alien tree. Alien tree creates its columns. Each column creates 5 aliens using a factory. Alien factory, right here. There we go. We know alien factory. I don't think I need to go through this. I've explained it in previous videos. Anything else new? The missile, I've already described it. For the player, I was able to create a finite state machine. Thank you, Will Myers. He's the one who showed me a finite state machine at Game AI. And within the finite state machine, I have 2 modes, either alive state or dead. The player can either be alive or dead. And if it's alive, it can move. It has its speed. You can move as long as you're not crashing with the walls. And if it's dead, there is a lot of things to happen, set the explosion, tell our special effects manager to set the explosion, stop all clips, silence the whole game, and then just play our explosion. Destroy the UFO. Well, not destroy the UFO itself. You can see that it's destroy UFO and then false, which means that the UFO should be just returned. Return it back to its initial position, and just don't give out the points and don't play the sound. That's it for the state machine. A few other things. I want to take a look at the bombs themselves. I was able to create 3 kinds of bombs: fork, zigzag, and cross. Now I know the fork was supposed to be on the UFO, although I don't remember seeing in the original game the UFO firing bombs. So my UFO doesn't fire bombs, but I left that fork, I slapped it on the aliens so they can fire 3 kinds. I don't know if you saw it, it was actually one of the first bombs they dropped. There is one command that's called shoot and rearm. 2, actually. And it's just like they say. That rearm command tells the bomb manager to reload the bombs. And the reloader basically has lots of these commands, and just pastes those commands in the timer manager, and that's how the aliens drop the bomb. That's how they fire. Oh, and one more thing, I also added collisions between bombs and missiles, so they can crash each other, just like in the original game. And finally, I don't think there's much to say. Well, the font system, I do have to say this, Glyph Manager, you're going to be really familiar with these methods, and that's because I literally took it from you. Well, not took it. I mean, I adapted it to my own. I studied your code and I adapted it to mine. So, yeah. I was a little desperate to get the font system working. I had no idea, so I saw your demo and I worked with it. Especially the XML reader, I had no idea how to do it. So yeah, I mean, you can take that into account. Last but not least, score manager, very simple. You know, each time an alien dies, just tell the score manager add points. And the score manager handles its own fonts, which are up here. And finally, there's one player life counter, which is the one who just, you know, how many lives you have left. And right now, because I don't have the screens up yet, the moment you die, there are no more lives left, just exit the game. And that's it. I don't think there's anything more to add. Otherwise, that I'll just let me play one more time, at least complete one level. Hope I don't die in the process. And well, yeah, thanks. It's been a great class. I loved it. Really, really cool. All right, let's get on with the demo. And that's it. Thank you so much, Professor. I'll see you next time.